What's up, everybody? BoomBoxMike here again. Got a little unboxing of the new amp. I haven't seen a whole lot of stuff out about this amp. It is definitely the biggest amp that I've ever had. Right off the bat, the packaging is not the best, but I think they've all had problems. You can tell definitely something was sitting on it. You guys, I'm really excited about this. Okay, packing consists of flat bubble wrap. Oh, there's some's got air in them. Receipt. Alright guys, here's the start of the show. Pretty heavy, guys. I'm gonna guess it weighs 25-30 pounds. Oh, she's heavy, guys. Stetsom EX21000, my bad. Power protect clip. Not too happy about that. That's kind of small in my opinion. Gain, high pass, low pass. This has got some filtering I'm not used to. It says bass, mid-bass, mid-high. So I got -0 to +10 dB. I'm gonna guess that's 10 or 12 gauge inputs. Got nice big dual power inputs. I'm gonna guess them are 2-aught. It's got fans on all 4 ends. It's a pretty beefy amp, guys. Tell you what, she's heavy. Got a sticker with it. User manual. It's got a little information chart here about protect light blink. Just trying to see if it told me what size speaker wire it took. But to be honest, I can't read a word it says. It is definitely not in English, guys. It is definitely not in English. But here's the power ratings on it. Let's see if I can. at 14.4 volts at 1 ohm. That's 23,000. 14.4 at 2 ohms, it does 14,200. At 14.4 at 4 ohms, it does 9,000. Power ratings at 12.6 volts is 1 ohm, 21,000. 12.6 at 2 ohms is 12,800. And 12.6 volts at 4 ohms is 8,000. Can't speak English today for some reason. Overall, I'm pretty bummed out about the packaging. Packaging is rough. But man, that's a big amp right here, guys. Grab a tape measure real quick. Coming in at about 24 inches long. Right at a foot wide. Stetsom EX21000EQ. There you go, guys. Let's check out this build date real quick. One 2023. So my amp was made in January. Alright guys, there you have it. Stetsom EX21000. Can't wait to hook this thing up, boy, let me tell you. Let's see if it's got any power in it. I can't read any of this to even tell you guys enough to give you any more info on it. Yeah, I can't read it. I can't even make heads or tails out of it, guys. Anyway, there you have it. Stetsom EX21000 going on 3 18-inch ZVXs and a Ford Edge. Later.